New week, new Aldi finds. Let me show you what's up. And then you have all your workout stuff. It even has the quotes. Great start, you're golden, you can do it. I just love these. So I'm gonna try the core sliders. So much to go home and organize. It's Emily, aka Glam Girl M, and today we're outside of Aldi because we are going in to find the new Aldi finds this week. And guess what? This week is all about New Year's resolutions. We got workout stuff, organization, home finds, all the good stuff. This is officially the last week of 2024 for these new Aldi finds. So we got to go out with a bang for your buck and see what they have. And I am hopeful that there's going to be some good New Year's finds. That way we can ring in the new year, feel motivated, and have some fun items to start 2025, which is crazy. I also got a caramel brulee coffee just to get myself pumped up here. It is a rainy, cloudy, gloomy day, so we want to just feel all the energy, stay motivated, and have some fun. As you know, I like to show you some behind the scenes, so let me film my vertical intro with you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, it's Emily, aka Glam Girl M, and you know what day it is? New Aldi finds and some motivating things to ring in the new year. Let's go. Alright, how'd I do? Sometimes filming both things definitely takes a lot out of you, but I kind of like to show you behind the scenes. This is YouTube, so you get a little bit of a longer content, and we're working on this content creation thing together. Alright, grabbing the purse, let's go! Okay, so 3 main sections, like the cleaning and planning area. You have your Downy, you have your detergent, and then you have all your kitchen needs. Organization, pots and pans, storage, to-go containers, meal prep, all that good stuff. They even have a fruit basket that's actually pretty large. Cutting boards, and then you have all your workout stuff. Athleisure, mats, shoes, water bottles, anything that you can think of. Exercise balls. Looks like some shaker bottles. Big water bottle. Those are nice. Couple massage roller balls. Massage roller ball with a handle. Different kind of types. They have that one, this one. Nice. Ooh, that looks nice. A little foam roller. Definitely has some texture, which might feel good. But they also have a smooth one. Exercise ball, fitness hoop. Oh, some sliders. Stretch bands, light resistance, medium resistance. Nice. Sports bras. They have women's memory foam cross trainers, and they also have men's. $15. I'm hearing that they're really comfortable, so it might be worth it. I mean, for $15. They even have some fun leggings, floor mats, which are nice if you like to work out at home and get some like mats down in your basement or garage or bedroom. A dumbbell set with a rack. Those are nice. I like how they have different sizes. That's like the perfect amount that you need at home. Adjustable dumbbell. Wow, they even have a pedal exerciser. Maybe I should bring that to work. Oh, the exercise ball even has fabric, so you can like work on your core, watch some TV, or when you're sitting at your desk. Lots of different planners. So there's like a blue one, a black one. I think there's a white and a pink. That one's really cute with the 2025. This one's more like an orange, actually. These are really nice. They have stickers in them. They have dividers. These are $7.99. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is really cool. And they also have like gratitude planners as well. Stickers. These are really cute. Things I'm going to do for others. Things I'm going to do for myself. This is perfect. So if you like to do like the morning meditation and then recap at night, this is like perfect. And you have a planner inside. So plan and be grateful. Love that. You know I love the Downy, and I'm actually surprised that they have the Downy Rinse and Refresh. This is something that I regularly use, so I may pick it up. $6.94. They have the fresh lavender, and then they have the cotton one. If you loved the Ottomans last week, looks like there's still a few here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff from last week, so check it out if you're still interested. A little dry erase board, which is really nice. So there's ones with silver frames, gold frames, ones with calendars, and ones that are plain. I'm pretty sure they had these big bowls last time, and they have a lot of good sets here. 4 different sizes of bowls. Like a pink little snack tray. That would be really good for work. That's really interesting. Veggie and fruit stretch pods. So if you have a second half of an avocado, that's cool. Double wall glass cups with a little teddy bear. Is that a dupe of something? If the teddy bears aren't your thing, they do have regular double wall mugs right here. So highball glasses, double wall. They also have plenty of straws. They have the glass straws, which are always nice. And honestly, sometimes a sip and go straw is just what you need, and it's like chewy. Sometimes it's nice to have a chewy straw. The large fruit basket, lots of good stuff. Plenty more holiday stuff that's on sale, so gift bags, tissue paper, all that good stuff. So if you want to stock up for next year, now's the time to save a lot of cash. A few New Year's Eve items, a party kit, napkins, plates, lots of home stuff still, the laundry baskets. That looks interesting. Heated foot massager. Wow. If you work at a desk all day or you're just chilling, that might be pretty nice. I saw the utility runners last week, as well as the big rugs. It doesn't look like the rug I was interested in is still here, but I am interested in a little runner, and I could definitely put it in a hallway or something, and I feel like I'm gonna go with the beigey tan one. Lots of storage still, which is really nice. So if you want one of those racks, it's really nice to keep back stock like paper towels and stuff. I use one of those in my basement. And let me tell you, I have the cleaning supplies, the toilet paper, everything on deck at all times. So that's kind of where I store my back stock area. They even have a king size heating pad, some detergent. So much to choose from. I feel like I'm gonna miss out if I don't pick something up, but I also just like don't know what I need for the kitchen organization. Ooh, I do like those. So you can put your fruits in them. Very nice. You know what? I think I'm gonna pick one of these up. Looks like there's gray and then there's also white. I think I'm gonna go for the white. So much to go home and organize. I feel like I should have organized before I came here, and then I would have known maybe what I needed and what I didn't. But there's even like socks and clothes and leggings. I mean, there's just so much. There's even a pedal exerciser, and if I could bring that to work, I just might, because to do a little pedaling under the desk sounds really nice. Look at this big water bottle. It even has the quotes. Great start, you're golden, you can do it, refill. This must be 1 gallon, I think. Yeah, just so much to look at. So motivating with lots of different things. The planners look really nice, but I am just trying to consolidate. And yeah, They are even kicking it up with some protein powder. I mean, chocolate, peanut butter, oatmeal cookie, electrolyte drink mix. Wonder if this is any good. Looks good. Maybe I'll try some. So much to choose from. Let me show you what I am picking up. I am going to get the little runner here. I didn't pick it up last week and I'm picking it up this week. As far as the workout gear, I'm gonna go for the core sliders, and I'm also gonna pick up one of these medium resistance bands. I've never had the sliders, and this is a nice long resistance band, so we're gonna see how it works out. Or should I say how many times I work out realistically. Okay, for the fridge organization, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fridge storage with the colander. I like that the colander is within containers so you don't like have the raspberry juice or fruit juice all over your fridge. And then I don't have a mandolin, so I'm picking up one of these. Woo! And you know, I can't forget about the cleaning products, so I'm gonna get the Downy Rinse and Refresh, and then some Gain detergent, because it looks just fun, and it says happy and it's pink. It's a yes from me. Last but not least, I don't know if these have been around, but I'm gonna pick up this strawberry kiwi electrolyte mix. It just looked good, and I'm hungry, so. And you know what, that's also an issue with going to the store when you're hungry, because you're gonna pick up some snacks, which I usually do. All right, that is all for this week. Let's get to the checkout and then we can recap at home. All right, I had to pick up some almond milk and some chicken, but other than that, we're good to go. Okay, so I wanted to show you my little Aldi haul. So as far as fitness stuff, I picked up the resistance band, and this is the medium resistance, and I actually used it really nice and long. I like the color, and my arms actually hurt because I was playing around with it and using it, and I am actually impressed. And it's just so simple and easy, and it's nice to have. It kind of, you know, if you're feeling a little weak in the arms, just playing around with this. You could do this standing up at a desk. It doesn't really matter that you're particularly working out. You can kind of just play around when you want to do a little arm strength. I need to kind of look up little exercises for it, but it sure is nice to have and not that expensive. And then I also picked up the core sliders. I've always wanted these, and it just looks kind of nice to work out anywhere and everywhere with these. You could literally bring them in your suitcase if you're traveling and work out in the hotel room if you wanted. These are definitely versatile, and I feel like you can make it work on a lot of different floors as well, which is nice. So definitely glad to have these. I'm surprised I've never tried them before, but now's the time, I guess. Okay, so I also already got into my little colander fruit little basket here. Super cute, super easy. And it actually has little clasps where you can open and close them based on what kind of food you put in there. It's set for fruit to keep it open, so I just cut up some strawberries, some blueberries, and I just love having fresh fruit. It's something that I definitely want to initiate within the new year, is like have fresh fruit on hand. And that just helps with sweet cravings. It helps you eat more fruit on your diet, so you can throw fruit on anything basically. A side of fruit is always a good snack, so I'm just definitely wanting more fruit in my diet this year. I think this is super cute and practical. Here is the mandolin slicer. So it has a lock, and then it goes to 1, 2, or 3, and the slicer gets bigger as you move the tab back here. So based on what you're cutting, they have different options, which is nice. And then it did come with this, I'm not sure how to use it though, but I think you hold the fruit or vegetable and use that while you're cutting. I definitely haven't really used a mandolin before. I'm usually just a knife cutter with fruits and vegetables, but this looks really nice and excited to use it. Again, not that expensive, so nice to try, see if I like it, and go from there. And then last but not least is the little runner for the hallway, so let me show you that. Oh, well, aren't you just a cutie? Aren't you just a cutie? Okay, so here is the runner that I got for the hallway. Not too bad. I love the color. My house is a lot of tans, beiges, grays, and browns, so it really works out. And I think it just fits perfectly in this space. And I love how cushy it makes it when you walk. It just makes everything feel more cozy and at home. And that concludes the Aldi haul and shop with me for this week. If you made it to this part of the video, comment a strawberry because it's the new year. We're getting in our fit era, or at least trying to, fingers crossed. And we're just taking care of our bodies, exercising more often, putting ourselves first, and really making the most of the new year. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so happy you're here. If you haven't joined the family, be sure to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate your support, and I will see you next time. XOXO, Glam Girl!